I am packing some orders today. This is a miniature dollhouse kit that someone ordered. Glue is not supposed to be shipped internationally, even if it is a non-toxic craft glue. So I went and picked out some Aleene's glue to put in this kit. I always check because sometimes the manufacturers ship it anyway, sometimes they don't. They're not supposed to ship batteries either. They usually ship the batteries. The batteries in these kits are just those little batteries, usually the size of a pencil eraser. I'm just going to package that in there so it won't jostle around while it's being shipped. I'm going to put a couple of stickers in there. So I'll pick some out, just randomly grab some out of my packet of stickers here. A hummingbird and a Baltimore Oriole. And because it's winter, I'm going to send some hot chocolate. And a business card. And a packing slip. Then I'm going to add a little more stuffing in there and seal up the box. And it will be ready to go. I forgot to put the thank you card in there, so I'm just going to slide it in the side there before I finish sealing up the box. Tap, tap, tap. There we go. All right. This diamond painting is actually a prize that was awarded to someone who was part of the Be the Hero DP along. I was a sponsor there. This was for small businesses. And this is the hydrangea painting. This was made in China. This isn't one that I made myself. And I am sending this out to the winner. It's 40 by 60, I think. 40 colors, 2 or 3 ADs on short length canvas. I am going to repackage this and roll it up in some brown craft paper. And I'm going to tuck in the ends here to protect the edges of the canvas. I have the thank you note written out. I'm going to grab a couple of random stickers and then put a business card in the thank you note. And put it in an envelope, seal it up. Add some hot chocolate mix to the order. Here is her toolkit that came with the diamond painting kit. I'm going to put a little bit of paper in the bottom of the box so that the diamond painting itself will be a better fit in the box and not be jostled around too much. I reuse boxes and packing paper, so everything's used at least twice. Less waste. Pack everything in there. And her packing slip. And then this order is good to go. This order is for the most popular accessory that I have on my website. It is the magnifying clip that attaches onto a diamond painting pen. They go on the mid-size diamond painting pens the best. So here's a couple of random stickers in the thank you note with my business card, of course. And where is it? Oh, I gotta go get another one. Okay, business card goes in the thank you note with the stickers. And then I'm gonna seal up the envelope. There we go. All set with that. And in my box of tricks here, I got my washi tape, a bunch of fun pens that I have. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. These are, they do a great job for what they are. They clip onto the pens and they magnify the symbols very well. Now I'll just put these in this envelope with the hot chocolate. And in goes the packing slip. This last item is also a prize from the Be the Hero DP Along. This is a mug that says, "In this house, diamond drills are condiments." I have these on my website. Has a navy blue interior. And I'm going to ship this off to the lucky winner. I ran out of thank you notes, so I had to use a piece of paper, but at least I had that. So she's got her thank you note. And of course, I'm going to stick a couple of stickers in there, pop a couple of stickers in there. And just pick a couple of random ones out of the pouches of stickers that I ordered. I ordered books and birds, and I forget what the other ones are. I think a couple of birds. Maybe flowers. And of course the hot chocolate. Gotta shake that up and kind of bend it a little bit to make it fit in the mug. And now this mug is ready to be shipped to its new home. Thanks for watching. FromHomespunHobby.com.